Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my August unboxing Boxy Charm video. This is my second Boxy Charm. This is my second Boxy Charm for a monthly subscription. So I'm so excited because I love makeup. So here's the box. I'm gonna open it. Yeah, so cute. Let's open Boxy Charm. Oh, they have a piece of paper here, the name of the product and also their prices here. But I'm gonna show you the product. So cute, super cute box. Boxy Charm, and then we have Hello Charmer. That's really cute. I'm gonna start for the first one. Aloepure Skincare Time Repair Serum. Wow, this is serum. Aloepure Skincare Time Serum. Smooth away appearance of lines and wrinkles with age-defying green tea extract and alpha and beta hydroxy acid. Wow! Apply a small amount to clean skin in the morning, in the evening. Oh, this is serum. Wow, serum. Ah, so cute. 30 ml for this time serum. For this Aloepure Time Repair Serum. Next one is, wow, really cute packaging. Polka dots, polka dots. 30 Little Secret Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. Wow, so cute. The box is polka dots, and also the packaging of the liquid lips is also polka dots too. Really cute. It's super red. What's the name? Velvet? Oh no, Phantom. The shade is Phantom. And the next one. Oh, this one is mascara. Maxlash Volumizer Mascara. Volumizer. Wow, this is a mascara. Maximize and define lashes with instant volume, no clumps, no smudging. Volumizer mascara with Maxlash effect. Huh. That's interesting. Right? Really cute. Mascara. Yay! I have new mascara. I love mascara. And the next one. The next one. Oh, sorry. What's this? Beauty for Real. Eyeshadow stick. This is eyeshadow stick. Oh my god, so cute. I don't know what's color. Eyeshadow stick. Let's try it. Brown? No, not brown. I don't know. Ta-da! So cute. Wow, I'm excited to try this. All of this. I really, oh, wow, they have a brush with Coastal Essence. Oh, I think this is the angle brush. Yeah, this is the angle brush. Oh, I think this is for contouring, or it's perfect for you if you're doing contour, blushes or something, whatever. Yeah. And then last one, wow, it's really cute. So pink, really cute. Pink, pink, pink. I love pink. Haha, blush. What do you call this? Blush and bronzer mini palette and brush combo. Wow, blush and bronzer mini palette and brush combo. Everything for a stunning face, all in one palette. Bronzer for amazing overall skin tone, contouring tones for well-defined cheekbones, and blushes for just the right finishing touch. Oh, Mix and match combination, blend colors together. Your compact palette also include a mini angled blush brush for easy on-to-go application. Wow, that's really cute. Okay, I don't know how to open it. Let's see. Wow. That's super cute. Mini palette. Really cute. Oh, I don't know what's, they don't tell what colors are these. I think this is for blush, contouring, highlights, and also contouring. Yeah, oh, so cute. Let's try. What color is this? Wow. Blush, red. I don't know how you can see that, guys. So cute. How many I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. I'll see how much it cost. For the Coastal Essence Blush Bronzer Mini Palette, it's $13.95. Coastal Essence Blush plus I already need the prices.
All you gotta do is pull it up, be like this lip gloss costs 13,
okay,
whatever it says.
Okay.
And hold up the next item.
Okay. This mini palette costs $13.95, and the next one for serum. But what's the real name of the serum? Aloette Time Repair Serum. $48. Oh my god! For this one, $48. It's expensive. Expensive. That's crazy. For 30 ml, $48 for this one. Oh no. Really excited to use this one. $48. The next one, the Dirty Little Secret Liquid Matte Lipstick. $10 for this one. For the Dirty Little Matte Liquid Lipstick. $10. And then the mascara is $22 for the mascara. And then the shadow stick is $19 for this shadow stick. And that's it for today. The total retail cost is just under $120. Thank you, subscribers. If you like this video, please share it, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.